Frogs and toads. Frogs and toads are members of the order Anura. There are close to 7,000 species of frogs worldwide. All toads are frogs, but not all frogs are toads. Scientists continue to search for new ones. Over the last 10 years, the number of described species of amphibians, mostly frogs and toads, has increased on average by 150 per year. What's the difference between a frog and a toad? Generally speaking, frogs have smooth, moist skin with long legs for hopping. They live near water. Toads, on the other hand, are more heavyset with shorter legs and usually have drier, bumpier skin. Other families of frogs and toads exist. Tree frogs are a different family of frogs than the family of true frogs, but these are smaller groupings of species. Like all amphibians, frogs are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperatures change with the temperature of their surroundings. The male holds the female around the waist in a mating hug called amplexus. He fertilizes the egg as the female lays them. The hundreds of tiny eggs clump together in groups known as frog spawn. Baby frogs are known as tadpoles. They have gills, a mouth, and a long tail, which they need for swimming. Unlike adult frogs, tadpoles can't go on land, so they feed on plant material filtered from the water and tear off tiny chunks of nearby vegetation. Tails then shrink away and skin grows over their gills as they develop lungs and eardrums. Now they are ready for life on land. Frogs can be used as an indicator species because they are vulnerable to changes in land or in water. They are also sensitive to any changes in the amount of ultraviolet radiation from the sun, as well as changes in water quality. Frogs and toads make a symphony of calls. Most frogs are capable to create a call or noise that is distinctive to their species. Generally, this is accomplished by taking air through the larynx and vocal sac. Typically, calls are used to attract potential mates and are usually done by males during the breeding season. Frogs may also vocalize to establish territorial claims or when they are upset. Care should be used when handling any frogs. Only handle them if it is needed to make a positive identification and is safe to do so. Remember that handling can cause stress, injury, and even death of an animal. Hold large frogs at the pelvis with legs fully extended to prevent injury. We need to protect our local frogs. Ooh, look at this big guy. This is a bullfrog. Look at the size of this bullfrog. Wow, he's a beauty.